In this investigation, we explore the appearance and properties of the exponential and natural exponential functions. Hopefully, learners will learn how to sketch exponential and natural exponential functions and determine the properties of these graphs. We do this by using the Geometer Sketchpad. To start, we will go to the Graph tab in the upper left, scroll down, plot a new function, and plot the graph 2 to the power of x. Next, we will again go to the Graph tab, plot a new function, and in this case we will be plotting 1.2 to the power of x. Lastly, we will go to the graph, plot a new function, and in this case we will be plotting 10 to the power of x. We can now quickly show our labels in order to clearly identify our graphs. Right-click, select Show Label, and right-click again, Show Label. Now we have a clear indication of our three graphs. Then we go to Graph again and we plot a new function, in this case the natural exponential function. To do this, we will go to the Values scroll down list and select e. Then we go e to the power of x. Select OK. And in this case, we would like to show our label in order to clearly identify our graph. Now we may use our findings here in order to answer the questions given below C. Now, for part D, we will go to the upper left, select File, and open a new sketch. Now we follow the same method as before in order to draw our graphs. We will be going to the Graph tab, plotting a new function, and in this case plotting the function 2 to the power of negative x. Then again we go to the Graph tab, we plot a new function, and we plot 1.2 to the power of negative x. Again we go to Graph, we plot a new function, and we plot our function 10 to the power of negative x. And then for our final graph we go to plot a new function, and in this case, since we want to plot our natural exponential function, we go to Values, scroll down to e, and we say to the power of negative x, and select OK. Now, in order to identify which graph is which, we show our labels. Remember to right-click, scroll down, and show label. Now we may use our findings of this graph in order to answer the questions given below E.